Matplotlib interview questions and answers. Beginner means advanced. Introduction. Matplotlib is a popular Python library used for data visualization and plotting. Matplotlib is widely used for data visualization, analytics dashboards, scientific computing, machine learning visualization, reporting, statistical analysis. Matplotlib provides line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, histograms, subplots, highly customizable visualizations. 1 to 20. Matplotlib Basics. What is Matplotlib? Python library for creating visualizations and plots. Why use Matplotlib? Easy plotting, customizable charts, scientific visualization. Install Matplotlib example. Pip install Matplotlib. Import Matplotlib example. Import Matplotlib pyplot as PLT. What is pyplot? Plotting module in Matplotlib. What is plot function? PLT plot XY. What is line chart? Visualization connecting data points with lines. Show plot example. PLT.show. What is figure in Matplotlib? Entire plotting window container. What is axes? Actual chart area inside figure. What is title and chart? PLT.title sales. What is X label? PLT.xLabel month. What is Y label? PLT.ylabel revenue. What is legend? PLT.legend. What is grid? PLT.grid true. What is marker and plot? Symbol representing data points. Marker example, PLT.plot XY marker equals O. What is line style? Line style equals MacMac. Color equals red. Save figure example, PLT.savig chart.png. 21 to 40. Common charts and visualization. What is bar chart? Visualization using rectangular bars. Bar chart example, PLT.bar XY. What is horizontal bar chart? PLT.bar HXY. What is histogram? Distribution visualization. Histogram example, PLT.hist data. What is scatter plot? Displays relationship between variables. Scatter plot example, PLT.scatter XY. What is pie chart? Circular proportion visualization. Pie chart example, PLT.pie values. What is box plot? Statistical distribution visualization. Box plot example, PLT.boxplot data. What is area chart? Filled line visualization. What is stem plot? PLT.stem XY. What is heat map? Color-based matrix visualization. What is error bar plot? Displays uncertainty error ranges. Error bar example, PLT.errorbar X, Y, YER equals error. What is stack plot? Stacked area visualization. What is polar plot? Circular coordinate visualization. What is logarithmic scale? Non-linear axis scaling. Log scale example, PLT.xscale log, 41 to 70. Advanced plotting and customization. What is subplot? Multiple plots inside one figure. Subplot example, PLT.subplot 211. What is figure size customization? PLT.figure fig size equals 8,6. What is tight layout? PLT.tight layout. What is annotation? Annotation example, PLT.annotate peak XY. What is tick customization? Configuring axis labels marks. What is axis limit setting? PLT.xlim 010. What is style sheet in Matplotlib? Predefined visualization styles. Style example, PLT.style.use ggplot. What is colmarp? Color mapping scheme. Common color maps? Viridis, plasma, coolwarm. What is transparency in plots? Alpha equals 0.5. What is twin axis? Secondary axis on same chart. Twin axis example, AX2 equals AX1.twinx. What is 3D plotting? Three-dimensional visualization. 3D plotting import example. From MPL toolkits.mplot3d, import axes 3D. What is animation in Matplotlib? Dynamic updating plots. Animation use cases? Simulations. Live dashboards. User interactive charts. What backend does Matplotlib use? Rendering engine for plots. Common backends? TK-AG, Qt5-AG, AG. What is Object-Oriented API? Advanced Plotting Interface. OO API example, fig AX equals plt.subplots. Why use OO API? Check better control. Check scalable plotting. What is rendering? Drawing visualization output. What file format support saving? Check PNG. Check PDF. Check SVG. Check JPG. What is vector graphic output? Resolution independent graphics. What is raster graphic output? Pixel-based graphics. What is DPI? Dots per inch resolution setting. 71 to 100. Integration, optimization, and best practices. What is NumPy integration? Matplotlib works seamlessly with NumPy arrays. NumPy plotting example. plt.plot_np.array 1, 2, 3. Direct plotting from data frames. Pandas plotting example. df.plot. What is Seaborn? Higher-level visualization library built on Matplotlib. Matplotlib versus Seaborn? Matplotlib offers low-level control. Seaborn simplifies statistical plots. What is Plotly? Interactive visualization library. Matplotlib versus Plotly? Plotly focuses on interactivity. What is dashboard integration? Embedding charts in applications. What is live plotting? Updating charts in real time. What affects plotting performance? Large datasets. Rendering complexity. How optimize Matplotlib performance? Check, reduce redraws, simplify visuals, use efficient backends. What is memory leak in plotting? Figures not released properly. Close figure example. plt.close. What is scientific visualization? Visualizing scientific mathematical data. What is financial charting? Stock market visualization. Common Matplotlib interview topics? Quote, plotting basics, subplots, customization, histograms, scatter plots. Common Matplotlib problems? Overlapping labels, slow rendering, incorrect scaling. Best practices for visualization. Clear labels. Avoid clutter. Choose correct chart type. What is chart readability? Ease of understanding chart information. What is data storytelling? Communicating insights visually. What is responsive visualization? Visualization adapting to screen/layout changes. What is visualization accessibility? Charts readable for all users. What is colorblind-friendly visualization? Accessible color choices. What is statistical visualization? Visual representation of statistical data. How to become strong in Matplotlib. Check. Practice chart building. Visualize datasets regularly. Learn customization deeply. Biggest Matplotlib interview concept? Effective and customizable data visualization. Key Matplotlib interview focus. Plotting APIs, chart customization, visualization techniques, and performance. Why is Matplotlib popular? Powerful, flexible visualization library integrated deeply into Python data ecosystem. Why is data visualization important? Visualization helps humans understand patterns, trends, and insights quickly. Final summary. Matplotlib interviews focus on check, plotting basics, chart types, figure and axes management, customization and styling, subplots and annotations, NumPy Pandas integration, visualization best practices, rendering optimization. Key idea. Strong Matplotlib developers understand effective data visualization, chart customization, scientific plotting, and performance-conscious rendering techniques.